Hey guys, what's going on? Time for another YouTube video, and this one is a big one for me because for years I suffered from bug bites. But before I get into this little trick that I learned over the years, do me a favor, click subscribe down below and also hit the get notifications bell. That'll make sure our videos get into your feed. Now, if any of you are like me, if there's a mosquito in the room, I'm the first one getting bit. I've got whatever it is about me that bugs love, and I get bit and it bothers me quite a bit. For years, I would head down to Florida, especially the Keys and around the Cape Coral area, and no-see-ums would get the best of me. The problem is, I would react really badly to bug bites. I always have, whether it's a mosquito, a bee, not allergic, but maybe somewhat allergic because I would get really red welts and then I would scratch uncontrollably, making myself look like I have chickenpox. And no-see-ums are the worst because there's lots of them and they're always biting you if you're wearing flip-flops and shorts, especially below the knees. And then I would look like my lower legs were completely covered in chickenpox. It would get so bad, it got to the point where I would take Dramamine, I would take Benadryl, I would use cortisol cream, I would use everything you could think of. Everything, even the white chalky stuff you put on bug bites that's calamine lotion that's supposed to stop itching, I would put on, and none of it, and I mean none of it worked. Not even making the cross with your nail inside the bite. So I started doing a lot of research and I read up on sprays, homemade sprays, and they say Skin So Soft would stop no-see-um bites, but none of it really worked. Not for me anyways. So I found something very vague on maybe 2 or 3 years after, and I was really at the point where I was going to stop going to Florida because of no-see-ums, because they affected me so badly. I found this thing where a lady online said using a blow dryer will stop the itch. And if you can stop the itch, then you stop the scratch, and if you stop the scratch, you stop the infection. So I said it was worth a try. So I'm going to teach you guys what I've been using for the last 10 years to get over bug bites without using a single drop of medication at all. So the blow dryer theory is a pretty simple one. What it tells you is to use a blow dryer on high heat on your bites and hold it as long as you can until you can't stand it any longer. Now, before I go any further, do me a favor and make sure you're not putting it to the point where you will burn your skin. So how I test that is I turn the blow dryer on high heat and high fan, and I'll hold it on an area of my skin where I don't have any bites. And I want to be able to hold it there and feel hot air, but not burning. You don't want to burn your skin with your blow dryer. You don't want to keep it too close that you're actually going to burn yourself. When you find the safe distance from your skin on an area that has no bites, that is very tolerable to you without burning, that is the distance you replicate over the bites. The thing that happens, as soon as you put that hot air over the bites, you'll notice something very quickly, probably within about 8 or 10 seconds. It's gonna feel like each of those bites, like someone's holding a lighter on them and burning them. I don't know what the technical term is. What we're assuming is the fact that the heat is pulling the histamines out of the bite. The histamines are what apparently makes a bug bite itch. So what I do is I hold that blow dryer there until I can no longer stand it. Some pain tolerance will be a good thing, but if you could do that to the point where it really burns, and then move on to your next set of bites and do that wherever you have bug bites, I can pretty much promise you 6 to 8 hours of not even thinking that you have bites. No itching, no scratching, none of it. This has been an absolute game changer for me. The blow dryer trick works for everything I've tried it. Anytime I have an itch, I reach out to the blow dryer. No longer am I grabbing pills, no longer am I grabbing creams. I go directly to the blow dryer. So if you can do that, hold that blow dryer over your skin where the bites are to a comfortable level, but get it hot enough that the bites themselves are the only things that are burning, and hold it as long as you possibly can, you're gonna save yourself a ton of grief, both at night and during the day. Forget itching, it's no longer gonna happen. That is one of the best tricks. It saved me no matter where I go, and I hope it'll work for you guys because there is nothing worse than having bug bites and not being able to control the scratching. There you have it, guys. That is my tip on using a blow dryer to stop the itching on bug bites. If you guys can do me a favor, click subscribe down below. Also, hit get notifications. That'll make sure our new videos get into your feed. This is a channel that concentrates mainly on fishing stuff. And if you're fishing, you're probably getting bit by bugs. So I really hope this one helps you guys out. I hope everybody's staying safe. I hope you're all having fun. Most importantly, I hope everybody's catching some fish. We'll talk to you soon.